Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's topic, crop losses. What is crop losses? So basically crop losses related to yield, damage, disease, etc. So the next one topic is expected crop losses due to insect pest in different crops. It means India's have a largest diversity in agriculture fields. So the crop losses obviously occur. So here is some tables. Name cotton 30%, rice 25%, and almost most lowest at the wheat 5%. It means cotton have a maximum crop losses due to insect 30% and lowest crop losses due to insect pest wheat 5%. And next one topic is insect. Which pest status when there is harmful 5% loss of the yield? It means any insect when it may cause 5% or more losses in a field, farmer field, crop. So those insects treated as a pest it means harmful for the crop. And next one topic is an insect is considered as a minor pest. Any insect considered as a minor pest when it is losses between 5 to 10%. 5 to 10% losses between for the crops they consider as a minor pest. And next one is any insect considered as a major pest, it causes losses more than 10%. Crop losses 10% or more, so basically it's called as a major pest of particular crops. Next one slide is it is estimated India loses approximately 18% of the crop yield due to pest attacks. It means says 80% loss of the crop yield due to pest attacks. And the next one says insect contribute 26% of the total losses. If you can imagine the all over losses 100, then 26% losses due to the insects of total losses. So here is some terminology related to entomology. Monophagous pest. Monophagous pest few closely related within the genus who feed the phytophagous feeding. And next one is oligophagous pest. Phytophagous insects feeding on a plant of several genera within a family. They called oligophagous. This means a family single but several genera for the feeding purpose named oligophagous pest. And so thus next one is polyphagous pest. When the any insect a phytophagous insects feed plant several family and several orders. It means various order in a various families, no limit, known as polyphagous pest. And this destroy used calculate by planimeter area. Planimeter is basically instrument used for the calculation of the area related to plants. It's thanks for watching.